Hi, my name is Benoit Beauchet. I'm working for Lamontagne Chocolate in Canada. We sell our chocolate everywhere in Canada, mostly in Quebec, in groceries, big box retailer, bulk. The US part of our business is growing. Half the company's business is private label and our own label, and the other half is fundraising. Charity, door-to-door, school, churches. We have a great volume. We're very flexible and we're quick on our feet to develop new recipe and fulfill the new orders. Track and trace is really important for us, for food safety, for FIFO in the supply chain. We have a lot of machine from DMS here, and we're quite satisfied with the after-sales service, the quality of the machine. Printing is always top-notch. We save a lot of money with them. The CoPilot Squid Ink 500. We print with great resolution, with a great dot per inch. All the nutritional information, the ingredient, the expiration date, product number, lots. We print all this on the cardboard box. Yeah, before the Squid Ink, we had to print our own label, apply them. So we had to buy the stock, and so it was really time-consuming. And now it's really quick. By printing directly on the cardboard box, we estimate a cost saving of about 90%. Labor saving, total ownership cost is reduced, and print to print, we estimate a cost saving of around $50,000 a year. We use a database with the Orion software, so all the SKU number are picked in the database, and it's really easy to put them in the machine. So the main benefits of using a database with a lot of SKUs is quick changeover. It's easy to retrieve all the information that we store in the MRPs and print it on the box, and also reduced error possibilities.
We're really happy to make affairs with DMS Coding, who supplied this amazing printer. Everything shown here has been printed by the CoPilot 500. This is the best caliber printing we ever had on a box.
The CoPilot Squid allows us to achieve a great quality printing, highest in its class. And the data are quite secure in our own database. And now that we're on the second generation of Lamontagne, the future is bright for us. In the next year, we plan to develop more product under the Lamontagne brand, and we're proud to be a partner with DMS. I think we're on a good path.